Take 5.
Take 5. That was our first take. What are you talking about? Oh, hey.
Really?
Hey, everyone. So we are having so much fun here with Byron Quiros. He's my co-host today. Now, Byron is an award-winning actor. You came all the way down from Hollywood just to be with me? Oh.
Well, I mean, yes, I'm gracing your presence, you're gracing my presence.
Here we go.
Right now.
Oh my God, I'm so honored. Well, listen, what we're going to do today is we wanted to give you a tour of this fabulous home. You know what, really, Byron? Corona Del Mar, Newport Beach. I mean, let's be honest, it's all about the lifestyle, right? Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
And we got to take a drink.
Every
Can't toast
time we
without a
cheers,
drink.
yes.
Where we're at today is we are in a beautiful home in Harbor Ridge. Now, Harbor Ridge is a gated community in Corona Del Mar. The house we're sitting in is a 5-bedroom, 8-bathroom, if you can imagine, just so you don't have to walk too far to go to the bathroom, right? I'm just saying.
Right there.
Exactly. It's the house is about 13,000 square feet. It's on a half-acre lot, and this whole area is beautiful, serene. Yet, how close to the ocean are we, Byron?
We are less than 3 miles.
Yeah. See how nice is that? You can
It's
actually
absolutely
walk down.
gorgeous.
Right, and the village.
Inspiration Point.
That's one of your favorite places,
Corona Del
right?
Mar,
And all the
absolutely.
village shops. I love that. I'm a shopper.
Love that area.
I can't tell a lie.
Yeah.
So tell us about, we did a little tour earlier, and we're going to show you a lot of this house in a moment, but what are your favorite spots?
Well, I love to entertain, right? Family, friends, what have you. And they have a great room with a pool in there.
Pool table. Mm-hmm.
Perfect for the, for the family being there or friends, what have you. The backyard itself is
Yes.
absolutely gorgeous too. Not only because of the view is insane, but they have a beautiful koi pond, they have a pool, they have a little area where you can sit and have a little fire pit and enjoy your wine.
Yeah,
Cheers
it's
again.
very, cheers again. I listen, I'm the typical girl that loves shopping, so I like to be able to look at Fashion Island, want to make sure the mall's open when I need to be open.
Beautiful, beautiful mall down there. Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so my faves are the kitchen. Now, what I love about the kitchen is the big island for entertaining. I mean, you could probably fit at least 10 people around that island, right, Byron?
Absolutely.
And the way that it opens up into the, of course, the family room area, but circling around that bar. What's behind this door, Byron?
The wine cellar.
Exactly.
Right? The wine cellar.
So
No.
this wine cellar is unreal. I don't know how many bottles it holds. It's all nice and climate controlled. I love that.
That's where you'll find us after all this is done.
Exactly.
No, seriously, that wine cellar is beautiful. It's a little secluded, open door, and nice to chill in there.
Yeah.
Beautiful bottles of wine. And take a look at them in detail, but I can tell you that it's pretty on point.
Yeah. The other thing I love is the staircase in this house. It's just so elegant.
So grand, right?
Grand, leads you
Yeah.
right up to the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom is huge, and once again, I love the balcony, how it overlooks all of, really, you can see the water, and also, of course, I love the big soaker tub. Well, listen, I love how you are multifaceted, Byron. I know you're a award-winning actor, but you also do, now you've helped me in my, what I'm gonna wear and kind of my overall presence. I don't think you do much to change my personality. I think you tried, so I'll just have to stay with that. But,
We love your personality.
but tell us what you do for working professionals too.
So yeah, when I'm not working in front of the camera or on stage or what have you, one of my big passions is helping others, achieve that kind of that place, right? So I've worked in the fashion industry. I've worked with cars, luxury homes. I've directed music videos. So really, it's getting the personality or personalities
Right.
up to par. Right?
Yeah.
So everything from styling, how they look, how they talk, how they stand in front of a camera. Just sort of being easy and flowing and that kind of thing. I love absolutely doing that kind of behind the scenes, and so I look forward to doing more of that.
Yeah.
Creative consulting moving forward.
Yeah, so how can people find you, Byron, when they're not watching you on the screen?
Right. Well, if I'm not in the wine cellar.
Exactly.
Yeah, listen, Instagram, Facebook, Byron Quiros, you can find me there. And soon this creative consulting, I'm going to create a different platform for that. But for now, just go to my Instagram. You can find all the details there. And
Yeah, nice. I
yeah.
love that. I love how you really want to help people. Once again, I'm Jules Wilson with Seven Gables Real Estate, and you can check me out on my YouTube channel, Jules Wilson Lifestyle Realtor, or discovertheoc.com. Now also, just because it's fun to know, the homes in Harbor Ridge are anywhere from 10 to 15 million, depending on the home itself. So it's not just about the luxury, but it's also about the lifestyle. And what I like to say is living your best in a sincere way. Do you know what I mean? We all want our best, but stay sincere and grounded.
Stay real.
Cheers to that.
Cheers to that.
Okay, I think there's more wine in the wine cellar, so thank you for watching.